So today we are going to work on putting the top plate up on the house, because we need to do that before we put the trusses up. Don't think we have enough plywood left to do any more sheathing today, but we'll get that top plate up, and then I think I could piece one more piece right over here. I'm just have to convince Jeremy into piecing it on, so we shall see. I'm gonna go and get all the tools out and get ready to start.
Alright, so it's probably gonna wrap up today. We got the truss in there. Right, see that in there? Probably seen us stand it in there. I'll go over, show ya, but it's gonna kind of be a pain trying to get. See, it's right here. Let me get in here. Oh yeah. You see where it's, we have it just up on each wall, right? That's easy enough. But like I could hold a 2x4 or something and flip that up. And I don't feel like ripping this stuff off, just so you know. That's why that facing's still there in the soffit. That's just gonna end up being inside the trusses later. You won't even see it. It'll just be hidden in the house, and I'll probably trash it when I rip it off anyway, so I wouldn't be saving anything. It'd just be wasting my time. So that's why that's there, just so you know. So I'm going to just fasten this one to it, and then I'll bring the metal over top of it, and then, you know, you'll sheet up to it and insulate inside, and you'll never know it was there. But these here, I could just flip them up, but the ladder is kind of a pain. Got a lot of splinters. Kind of a pain trying to reach up with this ladder we have. I was thinking I could just stand off the roof and try to nail it, or, you know, just flip it up with a ladder or with the 2x4 and then get up there and fasten it to it there and level it all up. But it's gonna be a pain, so I'm gonna think of another way to do it. And I'm probably going to get a piece of staging so I can just stand in here in the center and flip it up. Last year we had the partitions to walk on, so it was a lot easier. And, well, this year I don't. And they're cathedral too, so it's even a little higher, like the peak to hold. But alright, so I had some camera troubles a bit earlier, and I had actually shown this. I'm going to show it again because you didn't see it. So I overlapped this. This wall joins here, right? So this overlaps here, and that one comes up to it. Then also over there, this wall was pieced together, so I overlapped that joint over top of that one too. And then that corner, same thing, overlapped the corners. So I wanted to show you, because last year I had done the exact same thing. This is how I had done it, and somebody must not have been able to see it that well, and they were trying to say I didn't do it, but I did do it. And so I'm getting up nice and close so you can see. I actually showed it nice and close. I don't really know what the problem was there, but I guess some people see what they want to see. But anyways, it's over top of it. This wall is here, so this is over it there. And this comes to it, and that's the top plate to tie her all together and all that. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. So we got all this top plate on now. Another 2x6 the whole way. Pups. I gave him a little treat earlier, so now he's just following me everywhere. But yeah, so we got that all up, and just wanted to show you how the joints are together and all that stuff.
Turn around and face the net. Turn around and face it. Now throw it. Oh. Look at this cool rig we got sent to us today. Had no idea it was coming. Came in the mail.
Mom, watch out.
Funny thing is, the Toronto Raptors whooped them, won the championship. So I don't know if this is some kind of a joke.
The same person who sent us the net sent us these playing cards.
Also some kind of a joke.
Some kind of a sick joke.
Golden State Warriors. Go Raptors.
And they sent us this throw. Really cool. We're not really sure if they thought it was a joke to send it to us, because all we can think of is on our live stream we were talking about how the Raptors won and beat this team. So we had no idea this was coming. We don't even know who sent it, but it's really cool and we really do appreciate it. Go Raptors, go.
we'll see you in the next one, and you'll see what we've come up with, I guess. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Thanks for being here.